Sir, good afternoon, sir.
I am not here for your greetings. Where is your husband, Nweke?
He traveled last week. He's not yet back.
Eziokwu. Your husband came to my house and took a loan. He said for something waiting. His son or who was not well. Huh? Now that his loan is due for payment, he has traveled. Again. Eh? He has traveled, eh? Eh? Ademma.
Boss.
I am going to lock the shop.
Eh?
Double lock it. Eh? Yes. Tell your husband when he comes back to come to my house and pay for his loan. Eh? If he does, I will give him the keys, the small keys, to come here and unlock his shop. Eh? This shop was used as collateral for the loan. So, what it means is that, for now, I am the owner of this shop. Yeah? Listen, madam, I'm looking at your face, and your face has the look of violence. Let your violence not make you attempt to ekoka this key. That is breaking of key. If you try it, hey, Chineke, if you try it, you will see man Oganigwe. Eh?
Ishe, please, he will pay you your money. Please.
I know, he will pay. Boys, boss, lock this place.
Hey, please don't do this to us, please, Ishe.
Lock
it. Please,
throw her out of this place and lock the shop. Are you waiting for her?
Please.
Sit down. Relax.
Ishe, please.
How many keys?
Ishe, please.
Two.
Yes, sir.
The two are here.
Yes, sir.
Are there?
Yes, sir.
Ishe, please. My husband will pay you. He will pay you back. Please don't do this.
Yes, he will pay me.
Ishe, please.
Ishe,
please. This is the only place we have to make some money to pay you back. Please. Please, sir. Please don't do this to us, sir. Sir, please.
I think go back to that seat.
I am going to close this door now. If you open it again, rainfall and thunder will come on you.
Hey, Ishe, please. My children will lack food to eat, sir. Please, sir. Ishe, please. Ishe.
How can you say you love me yet you haven't even been to my house, not even once? At least come around so my people can get to know that we are together.
Is that not your daughter, Amara? Ashio, how she be that? Ichie, Amara, don't fall your hand. Amara, don't fall. Of all the boys in this village, now that's in way Amara they follow. Imagine that yellow popo. Ichie, what do we do? Should we get the guy?
Or are you deceiving me?
Amara, how can you say a thing like that? How can you? Listen, I love you so much. My love for you is deeper than any sexual feeling.
Then come and make your intentions known to my people. Let them know you.
I want to, but your father is very mean. Everyone knows him in this village. I'm sure he's not going to accept me as an in-law.
How can you just come to such conclusion on your own? You don't even know my father. Yes, he is mean, but it's because of his kind of business. If he's not mean, they won't pay him his money as a money lender. Just get to know him. He's a nice person, trust me. Huh? Just get. My father is a very simple man. What is it? She's there. She's still looking. Jesus.
You're back. You don't look cheerful. What's the matter?
Nedi, where is your daughter?
Amara?
Arama.
I sent her to buy me some food stuff for the insala soup you requested for. She went to buy them.
So, because I asked for insala soup, you now had to send my own jewel, my special jewel, out there in the jungle where tigers, leopards, lions are on the prowl to devour her.
Devour her what? How do you mean it, Che? What happened? Can you mean?
Ha! Yadeba wetele ego nye. Wete ego munye. Wete ego munye. Yadeba.
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't at all.
I didn't do anything. I just stopped by to say hi. So hi.
To say hi? And what happened? What happened? Kenyo. Papa, what happened to him?
Where is he?
Talk to me. Give me mail. Or give me mail. Talk to me.
I swear, I just said hi. Just hi, Nkiti. That's all. I did not do anything.
Okay, don't worry. You have your father to explain to. Because since he came back, he's been ranting, lamenting that I sent you out to be devoured. Where did you go to?
I just went to say hi. That's all. I didn't do anything. Mama, because no help me. What will kill me?
But where did you go to know? You got me rough.
I bought everything.
And you went to say hi?
Just hi.
Hi.
Mama, come on, help me. Come on, help me talk to him. Let me beg him. I
don't even know what to say. He's so furious. Come, let's try and tell him that.
Let me tell him. Come. Hey, Mama, let me just stay here. Hey.
Where are you coming from?
I went to the market, sir.
God. See, Amara. Patience. 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 Amara.
Yes, sir.
Do not try my patience. If you ever try it, to God, I tell what I will do to you. Keep talking.
When I finished from the market, on my way back,
Yes.
I just stopped by the roadside to say hi.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Say hi. To
To
yes.
my friend.
Who is your friend? Yes. Yes.
His name is Ikenna.
Ikenna. Who is Ikenna?
My friend.
Your daughter goes out kissing and frolicking a dirty village electrician in public. Koro eyes.
No, that's not what happened. No. It was kissing.
Shut up.
We were just holding hands.
Shut up. Shut up. Keep quiet.
Yes, sir.
I said shut up.
Yes, sir.
Are you still talking? Good. So, I didn't see you. I didn't see you.
Chekwa, you mean you saw them kissing out there?
In public. Koro eye.
Yes.
They were holding hands. My daughter was holding his hand and he was holding my daughter's hand in public. And they were holding and staying there for more than 10 minutes. I parked my car and I was watching, and they were kissing, holding hands in public.
What do we call this?
Carelessness. Carelessness of a mother.
Hold on, Ichie. Are you now blaming me for the misconduct of our daughter?
Praising you. Trying to praise you. Trying to sing your praise. Yes. Praising you for leaving the only thing I have in this world in the hands of crooks, boys, lions, giraffes who are destroying her out there. Particularly that boy, that village electrician, that village electrician mechanic. Alele, my daughter in the hands of those people, in the hands of that boy. Hey. She says I didn't see her. So I didn't see you. So what I saw was not true, or I didn't see you. I didn't see you, Amara. Amara, I didn't see you. It was not. She ran! She ran! Let her run. After running, let her come back to this house.
Amara, who is after you? Why are you crying?
Is it not my father?
What happened?
I was standing by the roadside with Ikenna. My father was coming back from work, so he saw us standing. Amara, you know I will not lie to you. We were just standing and holding hands like this. My father got home and told my mother that he saw me kissing Ikenna in public. Me!
It's okay, stop crying. Just come and sit down.
It's not okay. It's not okay.
It's okay, stop crying. It's okay.
Don't look as if I'm lying. I wasn't kissing him.
It's okay.
Take a good look at me, Amara. Am I not old enough to have a boyfriend? No, just tell me the truth. Am I not old enough to be called someone's wife? Am I a child?
Amara, you know things are better done the right way. You may be doing the right thing, but with a wrong approach. You don't expect your father to see you holding hands with a man in public and don't react the way he's reacting. As much as you are old enough to have a boyfriend, he must react. That's what every responsible father will do.
But Ikenna is not just any man. Ikenna is a man after my heart. We love each other so much. What we share is not something that is about to end anytime soon. It's an everlasting thing.
I know these things you're saying already. But the question now is your father aware of this relationship? Does he truly understand the depth of this holding hands in public? It's okay now. Calm down, it's okay.
Gafa.
What can I do for you?
Bros, guy, you get luck. Guy, as you dey like this now, so you dey form like say you get mind, abi?
How do you mean?
Of all the girls for this village, na Chief Amade's daughter you choose to mess around with, or eh? Guy, you no get fear. Who doesn't know Chief Amade in this village? Who doesn't know what he's capable of doing?
Please, who are you and how does my lifestyle affect you?
Who am I, where?
Yes, who are you?
Alright, if you must know me, I am one of Chief Amade's boys. Yes. We were in his car when we saw you, Peter, Chief Amade. You were messing up with Chief Amade's daughter. And you get luck. If to say Chief Amade give us order, by now, what will for do you, eh? I know say by now your body for never recover. But see, no be that one even carry me come now. Guy, put hand for your pockets. Find me something there so that let me see how I can be able to be covering you in some lapses. See, I can something was spoken now.
My friend, get out of this place.
Huh?
I said you should get out. Leave this place right now. I don't have any money to give you.
Wait. Mama, get out.
Jobless people.
No. Mama, get out. Okay, by fine boy up here. Guy, hand go touch you. You see hand? He go touch you. How much else I go mine? Can you be fine boy up here? Can you be fine boy?
Go. I wish I could stay longer, but I have to go.
Okay.
You have to come with me to the house to beg my father not to beat me.
Don't worry, he won't beat you.
Huh?
He won't beat you.
You don't know who that man is. He will deal with me. I'm not going there alone.
Okay, I'll come with you. But we'll have to wait for my mom to come back from the market first.
Let us wait. I'm sure she'll soon come back.
Why are you so scared?
You're talking as if you don't know who your father is.
you.
Igba. I'm not going anywhere.
Don't worry, my mom will be coming back very soon. We'll go together.
Hey.
Calm down. Outside, just calm down. Why is he outside now? don't worry. Calm down. This man is going to kill me. He won't kill you. He won't. He won't. Just calm down.
Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice.
Good evening, sir. I brought her home, sir.
Thank you.
Amara, you can go inside while I go back home.
Okay. How about you stay a little longer?
I need to go. Don't worry, just go inside.
Greet your mother.
Okay. Goodbye, sir.
Rejoice, rejoice. Amara, I'm not here to hurt you or to beat you, no. I'm here so that we can talk as father and daughter.
Okay, Papa. What do you want to talk about?
I don't know if your mother ever told you what we went through to get you and what happened afterwards.
Yes, she did. She told me how she almost died when she had me. And the doctors warned her not to get pregnant again. That she won't survive it.
That's it. That's it. You see, Amara, I love your mother. I loved her. I still do. For the fact that I have not married a second wife up till now means that I love her. It also means that we are okay with you, just you. I do not intend to get get another child. The way God has given us you is okay. That will also show you how precious you are to us.
Yes, Papa. I have always known that you and my mother love me so much.
Will you like to break my heart?
God forbid.
Will you like to see me shed tears of agony for you?
No, Papa, no.
Amara, What were you doing with that boy? Today, holding hands and playing in full view where people were passing.
Papa, the truth is, that boy is just not anybody. He's my boyfriend. We started seeing each other after you brought him to our house.
The whole of this place was filled with smoke. Smoke. Smoke! I will show you.
Okay, I'm seeing something.
Uh-huh. What is it? See.
Ah. Wow.
I don't know where it is. There was fire here. Yeah.
Why was he looking at me like that? Maybe he likes me.
Where is he?
Where is who?
I saw a man walking on the changeover earlier.
Oh, that. Your father brought in an electrician to rectify the light problem we had earlier. I think he's done and gone back to his shop.
Oh, okay.
What's happening to your MP3?
I don't know. The thing just suddenly stopped playing.
Did you charge it?
I charged it. I charged it to the point that there's a green light that will come up here when it's full. And when you on it here, this other blue light will come. But it's not coming up. I've been trying it. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's not coming on.
Okay. Maybe it's faulty. Don't worry. Don't stress yourself too much about this. There's this electrician at the village market. That guy is good. He's an expert. There is no case of electronics that he can't handle. I'll take you to him, yes.
And he can handle...
Yes, he's very good.
What are we waiting for? Let's just go. I just want you to start working.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. You both know each other?
Not really.
I knew I was going to see you again. Welcome to my shop.
Thank you.
I don't understand. Are we not acting Nigerian film here?
She stole my heart the first time I saw her.
This kind of love line, me I don't understand though. And please, check this MP3, suddenly stop working.
Since you came with her, I'm going to do it right away.
It's her own though.
It's working now.
It's working! So, how much is the money?
Don't worry about the money.
Please, tell us how much we are going to pay you for the work. Now, we don't have time to waste.
I did it for free.
Why would you do it for free?
Well, be honest, who's the owner of the MP3?
It's my own.
Oh, it's yours. Then there's no point taking money from you.
Why? I want to pay you.
Okay. The first time I saw you, I felt something special for you. And now that you have come to my shop, I'm very happy. So, you don't have to pay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
You have made my day.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yes. Let's go.
Up be mine, my lover. Up my head, my lover. Up my lover. Not be my man, my lover. Up be mine, my lover. Love at first, my lover. Only go be mine, my lover. Another not cook, my lover. Up be mine.
You know, at first when he said you shouldn't pay, I was shocked though. Like, I said, me too. Ikenna, that does not joke with his money, finished working for you and said you should go, you should not pay. This is strange, this is unusual. You have a special place in his heart though. It's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter. That guy, he does not joke with his money at all. He does not.
Me, I'm surprised. I'm just glad that my MP is back.
Yeah, it's working now. We're going to use it.
Play music.
Use it to play music.
Download music and play.
I'm so happy.
Since you came with her, I'm going to do it right away.
It's her own.
The first time I saw you, I felt something special for you. And now that you have come to my shop, I'm very happy. So, you don't have to pay.
Ikenna, that does not joke with his money, finished working for you and said you should go, you should not pay. This is strange, this is unusual. You have a special place in his heart though. It's not a laughing matter. It's not a laughing matter.
Forever, nothing can change it. It's approved in heaven. So no condition, nobody can let people in this life can change this love. Now my lover, my heart, now my lover,
Have you ever fallen in love before? Okay, let me rephrase. How do you know you are in love with someone?
Why did you ask?
Because these days I find myself thinking about that electrician boy a lot.
Your father will kill you.
You know, I try to stop myself from thinking about him. The more I try to stop myself, the more I think about him. And when I see him, I feel this warm butterfly in my tummy.
Aww.
I just like to be around him and I can't stop thinking about him.
Oh, my friend has fallen in love.
Yes, I'm in love.
But the questioner is your father. I don't think this love will survive.
Ngozi. Now come now. Long time. How are you?
I'm fine.
You stopped coming to my shop.
Isn't it when I have something that you do for me that will come to your shop?
Are you trying to say you don't have any bad electronics I can fix? Since the last time I saw you.
What kind of question is this? I don't have. Yes.
How's your friend?
You want to see her again?
Of course I want to see her again. Listen, anytime you come with her to my shop, even if you come with any bad electronics, I'll fix it for free.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. No problem.
I'm not joking, I'll fix it for free.
Okay, I've heard you. Don't worry.
Because of her, I'll fix it for free.
Don't worry, we'll come. You know the funny thing here? She feels the same way for you.
She feels the same way for me?
Yes.
Eh?
Yes.
She feels the same way for me?
Yes.
Up will be more, now my lover. Up on my head, now my lover. Up will rock it, now my lover. Not be my mind, now my lover. Up will be.
Guess what happened when I was coming back from the market today?
What?
Guess, just guess.
Oh.
Just guess.
Angie, you know I'm not good in guessing.
Just try.
Oh, I don't know. Just tell me.
Where is the first place your mind should go to?
Okay, now.
Yes. So, when I was coming back from the market today...
Okay, yes.
He couldn't believe his ears when I told him you feel the same way for him.
Oh my god. Angie, please. Can you take me to see him? I just want to see him. Just see him. Just
Calm
even if
down.
it's...
Calm down. Be calming down.
Okay. I am calm now.
Okay. So, where will you tell your parents you're going to before leaving the house?
Are you even being serious right now, Angie? That's pretty easy. My father is not in the house right now. My mother is just behind the house. So we'll both go there and you'll make up an excuse for me. That's what friends do. Please.
Okay, I'll try. I'll see what I can do.
Okay.
Okay, let me go and talk to her. You and your melon seeds.
That's the only business I have. At least the little money I make from it is better than just staying back home, idling and saying no job.
That's true, Mama.
It's like you're about leaving.
Yes, Mama.
Okay.
But I want to go to my tailor's place. There's this dress I want her to make for Amara and I. So she'll have to come with me so that they can take her measurements.
Okay, but please, you have to hasten up and bring her back home. The father will soon be back, and the moment he steps in, the next question is, where's Amara? Where's Amara? Please.
We won't waste time. We won't waste time.
Don't. Oh?
Okay, ma.
Bye,
ma.
Regards to your parents.
Okay, ma. Bye.
It's taking time now.
Why is she taking so much time? It's not just to go there and just say something. Mama, I want to...
Okay, Amara, calm down. Just calm down.
What did she say? What did she say?
We can't go! Calm down. Okay, calm down.
Thank you.
I love you. So, how are we doing? Let me go inside and change now.
No.
Wear something. Look at my hair. Should I pack it?
You're okay. Like, you don't need to change. You don't want your mother to think we are going somewhere else.
It's true, you're right.
Let's just go.
Let's just go. Let's go.
Where are you taking her?
Mama already gave us her permission.
I am not asking you.
Oh, sorry.
Where are you taking my daughter?
I already told your wife. There's this cloth my tailor is making for me. I want to make for her too because the material is big enough for both of us. So she needs to follow me to the tailor to take her measurements.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Please. As soon as you finish your bring her back to the house. Do not go to any other place.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Will your father ever let this love that we share thrive? I'm ready to do anything to keep you, but I'm afraid of him.
Listen, I only read about love in novels and watch it in movies. I have never experienced love in my entire life. What I'm feeling is not something I want to let go. So not even my father or anyone for that matter can come between us. I love you.
I love you too.
Hell! Chimo. Ewo. Ewo. Ewe. 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 Ekwanụ ka m siri wee kpatara onwe m nkụ ahụhụ ga-atagbu m. Hey!
Please.
Don't break me. So, I went and brought this boy to my house to fix an electrical problem. The boy came in, left the electrical problem, and started fixing his eyes on you. Hey! Chukwaju. Mba! Ajive, baiziezi. Ajive, baiziezi. Ajive, baiziezi. Ajive, baiziezi. Ajive, baiziezi. Ajive, baiziezi.
Papa, please. I'm begging you.
Don't beg me. Don't beg me. Ah! Ajive. 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 Yeah, why is it? So this is what Ngozi has been doing. Ngozi would come to my house. He will follow her out. But instead, she will end up taking you to that village rascal of an electrician. Ah! Mbano. Mbano. It will not work. It won't. My own treasure. Adam Wani. That I do not have another and will not have another. I cannot lose her to a rascal, to a non-entity, to a nobody who says he is a village electrician. Cannot happen.
Nambigo, it is already too late for this decision. I am in love with him. I beg you not to fight this love. Because if you do, you will lose me. I cannot live without him.
I am going to play that game the way I know how to play it.
Chifamadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chifamadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chifamadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chifamadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Upward be more, not my lover. Upward my heart, not my lover. Upward rocket, not my lover. Not be my mind, not my lover. Upward be more, not my lover.
Chai! I blame you, Nettie. I blame you. I blame you. This is sheer carelessness. How can you be so careless over the only treasure I have in this wide world? Lady, I blame you.
Ichi, I don't get you. How can you blame me for our daughter's misconduct?
How? You're a woman. You are a woman. And you stay in the house. Me, I always go out to get money for the family. But you are in the house. So you're supposed to know when your own daughter starts to do rohi, kurukere. Yes. Come on. Huh?
I don't get you. How am I supposed to know that? Go to the Amara. Yes, I can hear Amara.
Ned, you are trying to rile me up. You're trying to work me up now. Through her body language, Ned. Through her body language. You're a woman. So you should know when your own daughter is beginning to handle a man's odoku. Yes. You should know it. So my daughter is no longer a virgin. Is no longer a virgin. My daughter has taken her precious body to one non-entity, to one hopeless boy to be devouring. My head is nearly bursting. Ned, you have killed me. You have killed me.
Ichi, now listen. I don't understand why you are blaming me. It's the responsibility of both parents to take care of her child or children, not just the mother. If you think I have failed, you have equally failed.
Can I bear this? Can I bear this? Neddy has killed me. Neddy has killed me. They have spoiled my only treasure. They have disvirgined her, scattered her. My head is bursting and I will kill somebody here. Oh, I'm just envisioning my daughter as the boy is devouring my daughter. Hey, I will kill somebody. Neddy has killed me. Yes. I know what to do. I know what to do. Nikom puts hand. And the boy, he. Oh, no.
Chifamadi,
I know.
Chifamadi, Chifamadi, what a selfish man, Chifamadi. Onweraka niyagi, onweraka benaragi.
Hello?
A selfish man.
Who is that?
Sure. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
I've come to see your mother. Where is she?
She has gone to the market. I hope all is well.
How can all be well? Tell me. How can all be well when you, Ngozi, you take my daughter, the only jewel I have in this whole wide world, you carry my daughter to village boys to mess up with? How can all be well?
Ichie, I don't know what you are talking about. Too.
Ah! You will not know what I'm talking about. Ngozi, is that not what they call you? Is that not what they call you? What's that your name? Ngozi. That's what they call you. Yes. You won't know what I am talking about. But soon, you will know. Igama.
Ichie, my hands are clean. No, I didn't take her anywhere. My hands are clean.
Which hands? Which hands? Let me see the hands that are clean. Let me see them. These dirty hands, these soiled hands. Listen, let me tell you. Actually, I'm here to see your mother. I'm here to warn your mother to warn you. Ihe gị na nwa m na-eje ntụfụrụ ten idu eje. I am seeing all of them. I've come to warn you. Stop leading my daughter. My only daughter. The only jewel, the only good thing I have in my life. Don't keep taking her to village boys to mess around with. Don't. And why don't you?
I didn't take her anywhere.
Oh, you didn't take her anywhere. You didn't take her anywhere. Odimma, listen. It wasn't really you I came to see. I came to see your mother to warn you. Do not ever come anywhere around my compound. Are you hearing me? Don't come anywhere around my compound. If you ever do, I swear with my father's, in fact, my grandfather's grave. I swear with it. If I see you in my compound, I'll go inside, bring out a gun, and I will shoot you. And I'll make sure I shoot you in the eyes. And I'll be willing to take the consequences. Do you hear me? Do you hear me?
Yes, sir. When
your mother returns, tell her I was here. If you fail to tell her, I will look her up anywhere and tell her I was here. Be careful.
Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. What a selfish man, Chief Amadi. Onweraka niyagi, onweraka benayagi. A selfish man. Amara nye wurawo, ozo akwanya na fio. Amara nchabu omo manjanja. Because Chief Amadi, on you were very mad at the rogini man. Very mad at the Ryan. On you were very mad at the rogini man. He's bad. On you were very mad at the rogini man. Chief Amadi is dangerous. On you were very mad at the rogini. He has no mercy at all. On you were very mad at the rogini. Very mad at the Ryan. On you were very mad at the rogini.
I'm almost done, huh? It's working now. Thank you. Yeah. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Sit down. Do you know why I am here alone?
No, sir.
I would have come here with my boys today, but I decided to come alone first. Do you know why?
No, sir.
Good. I looked for your trouble. I looked for your trouble by coming to invite you, bring you to my house to fix electrical problems for me. You finished fixing the electrical problem and went and started fixing my daughter. I hope you have had enough of her now. Yes. It was good while it lasted. Good. Now, let me tell you, I do not want to see you anywhere around my daughter after now. If I hear that you were seen with my daughter, then it will be that you are looking for my trouble. You know what it means to look for my trouble. Onye chọrọ m okwu nọ na nnekwu okwu. Have a nice day.
Because Erechi for money. On your way, bury my daddy rogini me. Bury my daddy royani me. On your way, bury my daddy rogini me. He's bad. On your way, bury my daddy rogini me. Chief Amadi is dangerous. On your way, bury my daddy rogini me. He has no mercy at all. On your way, bury my daddy rogini me. Bury my daddy royani me. On your way, bury my daddy rogini me.
Ngozi.
I hope all is well.
No, all is not well.
What is it?
Madi just left my shop.
He did?
Yes.
He came here too.
Did he come here?
Yes.
What did he come to do?
Same reason he came to see you, I guess. He came to warn me to stop taking his daughter to come and see you.
I was hoping I can see Amara so I can, know how she's doing. It is possible he beat her up.
That's not possible. That's not possible.
You can't call her for me. I'll wait for you somewhere.
No, I can't. I can see you are looking for who you want to send to her early grave. Please. I still love my life. I don't want to die. Please.
No, please. Just help me.
I can't. Please, I'm sorry. I can't. I don't want to die. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't.
Upper Bimo, na my lover. Upper my heart, na my lover. Upper Rocket, na my lover. No be my, na my lover. Upper Bimo, na my lover. Love at first.
New rules and regulations guiding this house. From today. Number 1. Amara is no longer permitted to leave this house alone and on her own. If she must leave the house, then she must be accompanied by Nedi, her mother, or whosoever I appoint to do so. Number 2.
Papa, wait, before you get to number 2, I would like to really understand number 1. Do you mean I am not allowed to leave this house alone by myself? I have to be accompanied by someone?
Yes.
No, I mean, that's not going to work. Why? I am an adult. You can't keep me in my own father's house on house arrest. That is wrong now. It's not fair. Mama, no, it's not going to work now, Papa. What do you even mean that a full-grown adult is not allowed to leave the house? You've collected my phone because you said you don't want boys calling me behind your back. No problem. But to keep me at home, an adult, house arrest, it's not fair, Mama.
I am trying to save you from those hungry boys.
To what end? To what end now? Am I not an adult? Am I not old enough to have a man in my life?
Amara, you are old enough to have a man in your life. Yes. I am saving you from those hungry boys. You don't need them in your life. What you need in this life is a man, a responsible man who will marry you, look after you. You don't need those boys prowling around, scattering money everywhere, money and gifts everywhere, looking for girls who they end up defiling and destroying, after which they now go to settle with some girls to marry. Meaning your life is destroyed. You don't need it, my dear. That's why I am doing this. Number 2, nobody visits Amara in this house. Whether male or female, doesn't matter. That is the law. Number 3.
I've been looking everywhere for her.
This side. You are a complete failure as a wife, a complete failure as a mother. Ordinary to keep an eye on your daughter. You couldn't.
I was keeping an eye on her. I didn't know when she sneaked out. I'm not a failure. I won't fail you.